going on, everybody? It's Tico, and please don't mind me in the background. I'm in my own world, but today we're going to be looking at my 2024 PC build for gaming, video editing, and school. Keep in mind, I'm not going for the most powerful build in this video, but stay tuned for the gaming benchmarks towards the end. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the parts. The first one we have is the motherboard. I chose the MSI Mag B550 because it supports Ryzen 5000 straight from the box. Now, just so I can have those faster load times in my video games, I went with the WD Black 2TB PCIe 4.0 option for this one. Now for gaming or doing school, or just because I want to have 1,000 Chrome tabs open, I went with the RGB Pro Corsair Vegets 16GB 3200 MHz RAM sticks. Now for the power supply, I had to go with the Corsair RM850X. It provides more than enough power for the components, it's energy efficient, and it's fully modular, meaning you only have to connect the cables that you need to your PC build. For the CPU, I'm going with the Ryzen 7 5800X. With 8 cores and 16 threads, it's capable of doing video edits, gaming, or even just for everyday use. Now for one of my favorite parts of the build, the Kraken 280 RGB all-in-one cooler. Now this cooler, you don't need any liquid to fill it up, and it's actually my first time building with an all-in-one cooler. The case that we're using today can actually fit up to a 360mm radiator. Now we have the RTX 3070 graphics card by Gigabyte. It has 3 fans, it's RGB, it features 8GB of VRAM, and is a great card for 1440p and 4K gaming. It's also a great pair with our Ryzen 7 CPU as well. Now for the case, we're rocking the NZXT RGB H6 flow. And without further ado, let's get straight into the PC build.